According to old records, Benzonia has had a library of one sort or another since 1890. That's about when the community was started. Those first many years it was what I call a vagabond library. Wherever somebody had an empty shelf, they had the books. So it was in a general store, it was in the bank, it was in somebody's house. Its last incarnation was in a hardware store down in Beulah. And the library began here in 1925 in this building. It was one wall of books. The wall behind the circulation desk. It had no funding except from a small stipend from the church and donations. That door, that addition is new. The restrooms on the other side are in a new place. There was a stairway on the other side of this wall that went downstairs. That was taken out, and that's where our computer area is. We're very, very lucky to have a librarian we do, who's been with us now for about 5 years. She has brought so much energy to this place. It's wonderful. Our patronage, our card holders, the numbers keep going up. Circulation does. We have all this new stuff, the computers, the kids, more kids programming, more adult programming. It's really an up-to-date little library, and we're very proud of it.